Hello children, we are discussing the chapter how do organisms reproduce, and we had completed in our previous videos the asexual reproduction and its types. Now we will discuss certain points which are important for your board exam. Like the first one is how do organisms create exact copies of themselves in asexual mode of reproduction. We know, we have discussed bache, that in asexual mode of reproduction, clones are produced. How clones are produced and what are clones first? Genetically and morphologically identical organisms are known as clone. जो organisms genetically, genes और DNA wise as well as morphologically, physical characters के according similar होते हैं, those are considered as clones. And clones are produced in asexual mode of reproduction. The basis of asexual reproduction is mitosis. Mitosis is equational division, the division in which the number of chromosomes in the daughter cells as well as in the parent cell will remain fixed. So that is mitosis, equational division, and mitosis is the basis of cell division, or you can say the reproduction in asexual mode. So what actually happens in mitosis, or you can say in asexual mode of reproduction? Let us suppose this is a parent cell. It is a mature parent cell, a unicellular organism. It will divide by asexual mode of reproduction like spore formation, or you can say binary fission. Then during binary fission what happens? This DNA strand will make a copy of itself. This DNA, make an exact copy of each other, and that is known as DNA replication. What is DNA replication? The process in which exact copies of DNA are formed is known as DNA replication. This process requires a large number of enzymes. This process you will study in detail in your class 12. So the DNA copies itself, just like you make a photocopy of your notes. Just like that, DNA copies itself. So the amount of DNA is doubled now. Then the nucleus divides. As we all know, karyokinesis takes place. When this nucleus divides, both the nuclei which are formed after the division contains one copy of DNA. जब DNA divide होगा बच्चे तो एक कॉपी एक में चली जाएगी और दूसरी एक में. This is what the karyokinesis is all about. Nucleus divide हो जाएगा. Karyokinesis. And then it is followed up by cytokinesis. इसके बाद क्या होगी बच्चे? Cytokinesis. The two daughter cells are generated by the division of cytoplasm and nucleus. And if you look closely, both of them have the same amount of DNA as that of parent cell. So these daughter cells maintain the amount of DNA, maintains the composition of DNA as that of the parent cell. So what is the important step in that? DNA replication. DNA copies itself so that the amount of DNA or nuclear material or genetic material in the daughter cells as well as in the parent cell will remain fixed. And the DNA copies itself, and DNA is responsible for characters. That means it has the DNA, the amount of DNA. The daughter cells have the same DNA. That means they have same characteristics. That is why we say that In asexual mode of reproduction, the daughter cells which are produced are clones. The genetically and morphologically identical individuals are known as clones. Now we'll discuss another step, another very important step in that asexual mode of reproduction, and that is how variations occur or slight variations occur in asexual mode of reproduction. बच्चे, the topic which we have studied here describes us that clones are generated during asexual reproduction, but still in certain cases, in very rare cases of asexual reproduction, certain or few variations occur, few changes occur. In spite of the fact that they divide by mitosis, there are certain variations appear in asexual mode of reproduction, and how this is possible that we will discuss in this topic. बच्चे जब क्लोन बन रहे हैं उसके बावजूद कुछ वेरिएशंस आ रही हैं, हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि ऐसा क्यों है. The answer is DNA replication, which is taking place in asexual mode of reproduction, is a biochemical process. Why it is referred as biochemical? Because the various chemicals involved in it, and bio means life, and it is occurring in the living organisms. That is why we are combining both the terms and refer it as a single term, that is biochemical process. So DNA replication is a biochemical process, and no biochemical process can copy itself. %100% accurately. और कोई बायोकेमिकल प्रोसेस 100% एक दूसरे को अपने आप को कॉपी नहीं कर सकती. सो देयर आर सर्टेन एरर्स अकर. कुछ एरर आते हैं, एंड दीज एरर्स इन द डीएनए कॉपी लीड्स टू वेरिएशन. और इन एरर्स की वजह से क्या आ जाती है बच्चे? वेरिएशंस. समटाइम्स दीज एरर्स आर नॉट वेरी सिग्निफिकेंट, एंड समटाइम्स दीज एरर्स will brings about a change in the DNA sequence or in the genetic material which leads to the variation. जैसे ही DNA sequence change होगा बच्चे, variations आ जाएंगी that you will study, you must have studied in your previous class. So whensoever DNA replication takes place, as it is a biochemical process, it cannot copy itself 100% accurately with 100% accuracy. So that means if there are certain errors in that, due to those errors, new sequences are produced, and that will lead to variations, even though they have a asexual mode of reproduction. So that's how we can say the variations occurs in asexual mode of reproduction. Now we will discuss the next point, that is importance of DNA replication. As we have discussed, bache, in asexual reproduction, DNA copies itself. Now we will discuss what is the significance of this copying, of this DNA replication. The first significance is it maintains the amount of genetic material in the daughter cells. So you can make a first heading as well, that the maintenance of genetic material. As bache DNA replication takes place, the DNA copies itself during this process, and then that copied DNA divides. So the amount of DNA in the daughter cells or in the clones is maintained as that of parent cell, and that maintained genetic material will preserve the species genetic content. हर एक स्पीशीज के ऑर्गेनिज्म की खास बात क्या है कि दे हैव अ फिक्स्ड अमाउंट ऑफ डीएनए. फॉर एग्जांपल, ह्यूमन बीइंग्स हैव 46 क्रोमोसोम्स. whether it's me, my mother, my father, my wife, my sister, my daughter or my son, or all of you who are watching this video, we all are human beings and we have 46 chromosome in our normal condition in each cell except sperm and ovum, as they are gametes or sex cells. So the amount of DNA or genetic material in all the human beings is same. That is why we are included in one species. So bache, if parent organism is divided and wants to form the daughter cells in asexual reproduction, then the amount of genetic material must be maintained. And that amount is restored or maintained by DNA replication. Second is survival. Survival means bachav. How? You know what, bache? There are slight or certain occasional variations occur. As we discussed, bache, the variations occur during the asexual reproduction either by DNA copying error or by mutations or by crossing overs. Those certain or slight variations will lead to survival in the organisms. Those variations may help the organism which is reproducing by asexual mode to survive in the unfavorable conditions or to survive in the harsh conditions. So these variations will only occur if DNA replication is taking place. So that's why the DNA replication is very important for asexual reproducing organisms.